Okie doke, it's day 37 of the truck build. I'm honestly out of all fucks to give. I wish it was done a week ago like it should have been. And I am really struggling to find the motivation to finish it. But I can't go anywhere until it's finished, so I guess I'll have to find something to crack on with. It is really coming together and I really like it, but I'm just overdoing the same thing every day and not being finished and still spending money and just the same old, same old, same old. But at least the sun's shining today, so that's something. I think first thing I'm going to put these spotted gum in here, so at least I feel like I achieved something for the day. I put all the drawer liners and stuff in yesterday, so got bits and pieces done, but nothing really significant. I don't know. Anyway, that's where we are this morning. Me struggling for motivation. It might be at the bottom of another cup of coffee or something. This actually come up better than I thought. Now it's dried, there is a couple of defects in it. Like I said, that's a job for mums who can really contact books well, and that ain't me, so. Oh, and I put my floor mat in. Just try to sop up some of the dirt from yesterday. But yeah, I think I'll go and put some spotted gum in. At least I've done something for the day then. Okie doke, that's one overhead shelf in and half an overhead shelf in. We're just figuring what to do on this corner at the moment because I made the board curve so Tom didn't scone his head, but we're not clever enough to curve spotted gum to go around there, so I think we just got to finish it here and then run a spotted gum. Okay, all the overhead shelves are in. Tom's working on the kickboard storage. He has been putting in these little door lockers for us, but we've sold Dolby out of them now, of course, so we still need a few more, but we've exhausted all the hardware options. But, you know, you can put a fair bit of force on them and then just push to open, so hopefully they stay shut while we're travelling. This is where...
Camera will tell us if it is.
The internal camera, that's probably a good thing. I've just been working in the bathroom. I've just taken all the shitty old Celastic that I was not happy with off, and I put the couple of baskets up as well, but now I just got to re-Celastic some of it where it just didn't stick to the acrylic. I don't know why, but public service announcement, don't buy acrylic sheets. That's shit to install, it's shit to work with. Buy something else, not acrylic. But getting closer to getting finished in here. See how this new Celastic glue stuff goes. T-Rex we're trying this time. And then hopefully this area will be finished soon. And I've just recorked all this, so hopefully it dries better. It looks better, but let's hopefully it grabs that acrylic better than anything else. Outside Dad is sanding my rear spotted gum walls. Tom is working on my kickboard drawers. And I started to plan my office space. Love my desk chair that I found. Just got to mount my monitors, probably the next thing. In here, fitting our kickboards down on the ground like a good husband should be. He's swearing to. The workstation is up and running. Don't like where the... Are you right?
Oh, fuck.
Did you jam your fingies?
Oh, what a cunt.
Hear that? It's like what a cunt. Back to what I was saying. I don't really like where these cables are, but we'll see how that ends up. I might change maybe the monitor over that way a little bit, but it can't go too far because, or I don't know, but I don't like those cables. We'll see what we end up with. I guess I've got to have cables somewhere. But workstation functionable.
At least it dries in 20 minutes.
Apparently. Mattresses in. I've sort of de-dusted this end of the space. I'm just going to make a fold down bedside table up there for me and do something with that Starlink cord because it's friggin' ugly, but maybe some art there and there, haven't decided yet. Well, I kind of have decided, but I know Tom will thump his back onto it, so I'm procrastinating. Okie doke, our kickboard storage units are in. So, just a little bit of bonus storage space. They've all got to come out and be painted and stained and things yet, but whoop. And this one, because it's just got utilities at the end, it's just a kickboard without the storage. Doesn't want to stay in though. I have to just take a little bit off the end of that board, I think. That's a tomorrow job. But they're all done. Barely know they're there. Concealed all the way over here. Let's just see from the end. Once they're stained up the same colour as the floor, you'll barely be able to notice them, but I'm sure we'll find lots of little things to put in there. Workstation's up and running. I'll make today's video from there before I go inside. And then it's just a big old clean, but that's the end of the day. And really all we have to do now before we're sort of functional is gas fitter. Now, gas fitter is hopefully tomorrow or Tuesday. Fingers crossed for us on that one. We need him to turn up. Then we've got some more staining to do and some more painting to do. And I think we've made the decision to paint those timber doors black, and we've got to stain and paint on the outside of that wall, nib wall as well. And Tom's got to do a little bit of work on the bike rack or the tail lifter. What do you got to do work on?
Both.
Bike rack and tail lifter. Just to take some bounce out of it. Is that what we're doing?
It can still fold in.
Because it can still fold in and we don't need it to fold in anymore. So that's where we're up to. Very, very, very home straights now. I think it's day 36. So 6 days overdue. And we still got to do some moving in and hang bits and pieces and racks and stuff. But really, construction is all done as of today. Just painting and finishing up to go. Which is really good because I'm really over it. Hey Tom. Are you really over it too?
Yeah.
You love building? Want to do another one?
Look at the job I did. I would like to do another one.
What are you going to do next time?
What am I going to do next time?
Yeah.
Another truck?
Or semi?
Yeah, semi probably.
Painting.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tom's put it out there. He's putting this on the market for 150,000.
Yeah.
I don't want to do another one, so don't buy it. But Tom said if we get 150,000 for it, he'll sell it and we'll do another one. So there you go. Here's your one and only chance. The one and only time you'll see it listed. But 150 grand, you can have the full off-grid adventure truck.
Yeah.
Custom build.
That's right.
One of a kind, never to be repeated. You heard it from Tom first. Oh, we spilt beer, but cheers to the end of constructions. We're done. Kind of. Kind of.